Good PM. Ngayon po ay Thursday, December 25, 2025 at ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong Thursday, December 25, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto, 2 PM. 3D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong December 25, 2025, Thursday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto, 2 PM. 'See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Thursday, December 25, 2025. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Lotto 642 and Super Lotto 649 for December 25, 2025, Thursday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Thursday, December 25, 2025. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.